What's up, blooms? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using the coral clay and Methi mango from Chocolate Kinks Kurls. This clay wash is called the rebalancer because it helps to remove buildup and bring strands back to life. The clay wash also helps to absorb toxins and impurities and moisturizes your hair and scalp. Some key ingredients in here are fenugreek extract, coral clay, and mango butter. I'm starting off on old dry hair. This was a braid out that I was rocking for a few days, and now I'm going to hop into the shower to get this wash day started. After drenching my hair with some warm water, it's time to use the clay. The texture of this clay is very different than some of the other clays I've used from Chocolate Kinks Kurls. It's really soft and creamy and applied really well. I'm using a generous amount of this product because I had a lot of buildup on my hair and I wanted to make sure that my scalp was clean. So now I'm just applying the product thoroughly, making sure to work it very well into my scalp. And as you can see, I'm also working it down to the length of my hair. I repeated this process all over. I used a generous amount of the clay on my scalp and then worked it down on the length of my hair. Make sure that you get your scalp thoroughly clean, especially if you have any product buildup. That way it ensures that your scalp will be able to breathe after you rinse it out. I was able to get amazing definition with this clay. As you can see in the before and after, there's a clear difference. So now I'm just going in and just giving myself a really good scalp massage. I then left the clay on for 15 minutes to detox and then rinsed it out with warm water. Stick around to hear my final thoughts on this product and to see what my hair looks like after rinsing out the clay. got done cleansing my hair using Chocolate Kinks Kurls new clay mask, and I want to chat with y'all about my thoughts, and also I wanted to show y'all what my hair looks like. So I ended up not deep conditioning my hair for two reasons. So one, I felt like my hair was okay and I didn't really need to follow up with a deep conditioner this time around, especially because I was using a lot of products throughout the week and I kind of just wanted to give my hair a break. And the other reason was because I wanted to see what my hair looks like after just using the clay by itself. So now I'm going to take my hair out of the t-shirt. So this is what my hair is looking like after t-shirt drying and from using the clay mask. I'm gonna give y'all a better close-up of my hair. This is what it looks like, freshly cleansed, no deep conditioner and no added product. I can't tell if my scalp is looking good, but I did try to get in there as y'all saw. But overall, my hair feels really good and my curls look nice as well. And it doesn't even feel like I didn't deep condition my hair, so that's a good sign. So yeah, let's talk about this clay mask and what I think of it. So for the directions for this product, it says, for a quick but powerful cleanse, apply the coral clay and Methi mango clay wash to wet hair. For even distribution, apply in sections. Gently massage clay into scalp and smooth onto hair strands and rinse thoroughly with warm water. To detox, apply to damp or dry hair. Allow clay to sit for 15 to 20 minutes with or without shower cap, rinsing thoroughly with warm water. We recommend deep conditioning afterwards. So I ended up not deep conditioning, y'all, but I feel like my hair feels okay. So I ended up leaving the clay mask in my hair for 15 minutes because I wanted to detox. I was using a lot of products throughout the week, so I wanted to make sure that my scalp was clean. But yeah, I left it on for 15 minutes. I felt like it absorbed in my hair very quickly and really well, and I like that because I feel like it wasn't just sitting on my hair. I was a little bit heavy-handed with this product because I was enjoying it, but you didn't need to use a lot the way I did. I really like this. My curls were popping, I had shine, my hair felt better, my hair looked better, and now from air drying, this is what my hair is looking like. So yeah, I didn't deep condition, but definitely follow up with a deep conditioner if you feel like you need to. It does say that you should, but I didn't listen to the directions this time around, so don't be like me. But yeah, I feel like my hair looks really great. It feels fluffy, it has movement to it, you know, and this is with no product. So for just using one product for this wash day, I'm really pleased with the results. My hair is bouncy and airy. So the first thing I noticed right off the bat when I was applying the product is that it has a different consistency compared to some of the clay masks I've used from Chocolate Kinks Kurls. I've used their Rasul clay, I've used their mint, the rose. I use pretty much all of their clay masks, and this one feels very different in a good way. It felt lighter. It didn't feel heavy with the consistency. As I was applying it, it felt very light in my hair. It didn't really feel like I had a lot of product going on, even though I added a good amount. So this is what I have left. I think I have enough for 2 more wash days if I'm not as heavy-handed. But in terms of the texture, it was really light going on, and I liked it. It felt very smooth. I do like the other textures of the clays as well, but this one felt very, very light, and I liked it, and I think it applied well to my hair. After my first time using this, I would give this product a 10 out of 10 because I really like the consistency. The smell was great as well. I can't really pinpoint the smell. I feel like it has a little bit of floral scent to it, but nothing overpowering. But I really like this product, y'all, and I think my hair turned out great. I was using a lot of products throughout the week, and I really wanted to make sure that the product buildup was off. I didn't look at my scalp too much. I tried to just now, but I couldn't really tell, you know, if it was exactly clean 100%. But so far, my hair feels lighter. My scalp feels like it can breathe. You know, after you've used a lot of products and you wash your hair and it feels lighter, better, like it's able to breathe. Yeah, that's what my hair is feeling like right now. So for my first time using this product, I really like it. I love the color, the consistency, the ingredients, and just pretty much everything about it. And this is probably one of my favorites after the mint and the rose. Yeah, what y'all think of this clay. Let me know if you've used this product before or if you're interested in trying it out. But for my first time using it, I really like it. And also let me know down in the comments what you think of my hair after rinsing out the clay mask. I'm going to style my hair very soon, but I'm not going to be using this product today. Y'all gonna have to stay tuned for that video to see which product I use. But yeah, y'all, that's it for today's video. This clay mask was bomb. I really like it, and I hope you guys try it out if you get the chance. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of Chocolate Kinks and Kurls new Coral Clay Methi Mango Clay Wash. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time.